Here we come to the elevator at the Shantz building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a Dover traditional from the 1980s. We'll start by going up. This has newer traditional, obviously. And we'll listen to the bell, which does work. Let's get our cab view. This is a huge cab. Dover door equipment. You can actually see up the shaft. If you zoom in there, it looks like some sort of vent up on the roof. Bumper has been replaced with a sensor. Let's go up to 5. Let's go up to 6 actually. No classic leveling. You can actually go up to 7. Newer traditional, cracked button. Bell does not work up here on 6, but we can actually go up the steps. I wonder what's up here. You got a very nice view, and I think the elevator just left us. But this is the rooftop. I wonder if we can get up there. Nope, it's locked, but up here is the roof. That's the Marley building next door. That's the student unions. That's the top of the elevator shaft right there that we just rode. This is very nice. This door is alarmed, so I can't open it. Otherwise the police will come. Campus police will be notified, so I can't open it. We're gonna go down to the, back down to the elevator now. It's a very nice staircase. It's a very nice man-powered elevator. Right. There's a strobe up there for the fire alarm. Simplex. We'll go down now. Bell does not work, but the lantern does. Go down to 2. And the door closes when you push the button. Capacity 4,000 pounds. This is elevator number 2. Dover traditional. ADA compliant phone. This has a very nice motor. I think we'll take this on one more ride. Very nice cab. I know I've said this before, but I do like the cab. Watch the button go out. Going up? What floor?
5 please. Appreciate you. Go.
Door closes when you push the button. And this elevator is awesome. Installed in the 1980s. This cab is huge. I really like this cab. I also like the indicator. Only 4 and 6 work, unfortunately. And you can hear the motor very well. The fan isn't very annoying. And the button will go out, and let's see if we got a classic. Nope, no classic leveling. And someone's using it now, so here it goes. The machine room has got to be very close to here. This is an office. So I'm guessing the machine room, it's either on the first floor. Yeah, it's pretty close to here. So anyways, we're gonna end the video now, so that's gonna be it.